Yeah, no, we're not taking a picture. We're taking a movie. We're playing Where'd the Mommy Go? Where'd Mommy go? I don't know. We're going to have to go look for her, okay? So close your eyes. Close your eyes. Both eyes. Your other eye, too. Close your eyes. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ready or not, here we come. Okay, let's go find Mommy. Okay, come on. Come on, Adrian. Where did Mommy go? Where'd Mommy go? Is Mommy over here? Where's Mommy? No, Mommy. Maybe she's in the bathroom. Can I look in the bathroom? No, Mommy. Okay, let's go. Let's go look somewhere else. Maybe she's in the bedroom. Where's Mommy, Adrian? Where'd Mommy go? Is she in your room? Did Mommy go hiding in your room? She did? Okay, let's go look for her. I don't know. I don't think she's here. Where did Mommy go? Mommy disappeared. Mommy hide outside? Here's no Mommy outside. Adrian, say Mommy!
Mommy! Oh. Mommy, cute.
That's Mommy's watch. I don't know where Mommy went. I don't know. We gotta find her soon. This video's getting like 3.5 minutes. Hey, Mommy!
Mommy!
Psst, Adrian! Adrian! This way. The broom isn't put away. Adrian, over here. Come over here. Where'd Mommy go?
Mama.
Look behind you. And Mommy's stuck.
Mommy's stuck.